Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Swimming Bird. Today I am going to show which things are floating, which things are sinking on the water. Come on, I will show you. Let's see what happens when leaf, flower, vegetable, fruits goes into the water. Let's start. Leaf. Leaf is floating. Flower. Flower is floating. Apple. Apple is floating. Orange. Orange is floating. Grapes. Grapes is sinking. Banana. Banana is sinking. Potato. Potato is sinking. Carrot. Carrot is sinking. Lemon. Lemon is sinking. Chili. Chili is floating. Tomato. Tomato is floating. Now let's see what happens when plastic items go into the water. Brush is floating. Sketch. Sketch is floating. Clip. Clip is sinking. Gum. Gum is floating. Earbud. Earbud is floating. Eraser. Eraser is sinking. Sarnar. Sarnar is floating. Spoon. Spoon is floating. Pencil. Pencil is floating. Stick. Stick is floating. Chalk. Chalk is sinking. Crayon. Crayon is sinking. Lock. Lock is floating. Bangle. Bangle is sinking. Band. Band is floating. Bottle. Bottle is floating. Most of the plastic items are floating. Let's see what happens when steel and paper goes into the water. Paper boat. Paper boat is floating. Stone. Stone is sinking. Spoon. Spoon is sinking. Fork. Fork is sinking. Battery. Battery is sinking. Coin. coin is sinking. Paper. Paper is sinking. If you like my video, then like, share, subscribe my channel.